Expand design, a roomy cabin, dual-tone interiors, 15 smart utility spaces, and a large boot space, all there to expand your life. Welcome to Easy Space.
And on business news tonight, the International Monetary Fund says that caution should be exercised by the government and banks when obtaining loans on commercial terms.
In a news release issued after considering and endorsing the staff appraisal of the IMF's Article 4 consultation and second post-program monitoring discussion with Sri Lanka, the IMF notes that this could have an adverse impact on foreign reserves and economic growth.
The International Monetary Fund says that Sri Lanka's economic growth has been one of the fastest among Asia's developing economies in recent years. The IMF also notes that inflation, which stood at 4.7% last year, has been successfully reduced to about 3.2%. According to the IMF, with the continued robust export performance, the current account deficit is expected to narrow further and allow for some additional accumulation of international reserves. Medium-term risk, according to the IMF, center on the potential for slower-than-projected growth in the advanced economies, tight external liquidity conditions and chronic turbulence in international capital markets, and continued weakness in government revenues, which could threaten fiscal and debt consolidation objectives. The IMF notes that recent improvements in the trade and current account balances notwithstanding, Sri Lanka remains vulnerable to external shocks. It also adds that adverse climatic events such as the recent drought remain a chronic source of vulnerability.